Welcome everyone. Today we are going to see ERC4671, which is a Soulbound token. So Soulbound tokens are basically when a token is minted, it cannot be transferred to another wallet address. So one use case of these kind of tokens is issuing of certificates or concert tickets where the user cannot transfer them to a different user. Let's implement ERC4671. For this we have to use package 4671. That's not available on Open Zeppelin, so we have to get it from GitHub. So we have to use this contract. No need to mention master, it always takes from the master. So we are calling ERC4671 constructor, which takes two params. One is name of the token and the symbol of the token. Let's create a mint function. So this will take address. Only the university will be able to create the certificate, so we always have to check if the minter is creator or not. So now we have compiled the contract. Let's deploy it. So let's mint a certificate to a user. So the transaction is complete. The balance for that user is 1. So total number of certificates right now are 1. So he has a valid certificate. Symbol is UCT and name is University Certificate Token. So this is one use case of Soulbound tokens. Try it yourself and let me know in the comments.